Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mike Makers for makersgeneration.net. Today, hands-on activity one more time. We try to build a car with cardboard. So we have cardboard here. For this we also need barbecue sticks here, we have here. We also need straws, scissors, and corks, just right here. And a plier and screwdriver. So let's start with this. We use it for the base of the car, so we cut it like this, till the limit here, There we go, put it on the side. So I want you to turn this like this. So as you can see, what we use is usually material we can find everywhere. So you can do it at home with your kids, or you can show them the video, they can do it on themselves. So now we take the tape, and we put tape just right here, on the side. So let's see how long is that thing now. So it's gonna be how it acts. So let's say I want it here. So I kind of cut it like this. So let me take the plier now. Go. Here we got one. Take another one. This on the side. I need this now. There we go. So we can put this on the side. Now I need the two corks. I got a razor here. The wheels. These are gonna be the wheels. There we go. Now let's make holes in it, so we can put the sticks in it. Let's try it like this. Can you fit it in? Try to put it in like this. Okay. It's like we don't want to put it in. And you finally get in. There we go. Take another one. So we got the base of the car. Now I want you to take a cardboard, take a small part like this, and you fold it like this. Now I want you to cut it like this. Now you can give the car a shape, you know. Shape of a cross, I don't know, whatever you have in mind. You get a marker now and make the door. So now we need the glue gun. So before the glue gun, I want you to do this. So we can put it like this on it. So now I want you to take the glue gun and be pretty quick. Put it everywhere. Yeah, you should wait like 1 minute and we should be good. There we go, there is our car. So you can do it for your kids, or the kids can do it themselves. You can just show them the video. I'm pretty sure you can do it. So as I said, thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, which support me more in what I'm doing, and to make more videos also for you guys. Thank you for tuning in.